Guten Tag. Das Alphabet. A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E, A, F, F, G, G, H, H, I, E, J, J, K, K, L, L, M, N, O, O, P, P, Q, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, epsilon, Z. We have in English only 26 alphabets, but in German we have more 4 alphabets. There are the umlaut, A umlaut, U umlaut, U umlaut, and S set. Cheers!